What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave, and I want to make this video short and sweet. You're looking at a brand new Tesla Model S. This car has the white interior. The owner of this vehicle chose the Lumar ceramic CTX 15% for all the windows. Every piece of film was digitally cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. Back window was tinted in what we call a one-piece installation. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty, plus everything Signature Glass Tinting does come standard with our no charge, no fault guarantee. Our no charge, no fault guarantee protects all the side windows if they're ever broken, they're ever damaged, vandalized, car accident. We don't care what happens, bring it back, we'll retint it for free. If we go in here and take a look at this car, I mentioned everything was digitally cut. There's no extra film flopping around in the wind. There's no light gaps. Everything fits perfect. I recommend, if you don't come to us, find a tint shop that digitally cuts their window film, especially on a car like this with open frame windows. There's no light gap. It looks really, really nice. Besides, the last thing you want is somebody using a knife on your car. I mean, it happens every day somewhere in the world. Someone's hand cutting window film on a car, but why? There are so many great software systems out there now that, again, will 100% digitally cut the window film. There's no risk. There's just no reason to have somebody hand cut on your car today. This is the 90s, baby. Technology's catching up with all of us. So again, Tesla Model S, white interior, Lumar ceramic CTX 15% all the way around. It's a dark film, but because of the light interior, it looks like looks a little darker than an average medium window film, and if you ask me, I think it looks really, really nice. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Check us out on the web. Find us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or do the old-fashioned thing and just give us a call, 949-515-8468.